you waiting by my doorstep. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my